So I cut the hose, the replacement for the broken breather hose from the Spider, and I cut it to size, and now I'm about to install the O-Trigger clamp. I also had to do some surgery on the center connector also broke off, so I had to fix that, and those clamps are in there. Now I'm just going to clamp this guy here. I hope I don't have to take these off again. That's all. That's pain. Somehow I haven't figured out how these clamps seem to be easy to put on. It's really hard to take off, which I guess is good, but there has to be a tool to take them off with, and I guess I don't have it. And press. Certainly is very satisfying. The thing is very tight now. It's all good. So I also discovered that, so there are two hidden connectors here. So one for the auxiliary water pump, which I believe is this fellow here, goes in there. And the other is under the intake manifold, and after much research I found out that that connector is meant for the intake air temperature sensor. And that guy, if you can see it here, it's this connector over here, I'm pretty sure. So it goes and plugs into the underside of the intake manifold. So I can do that right now, but I think I might be able to do it even afterwards. Let me see if that's true.